If you've ever found yourself running low on mobile data because your apps keep syncing in the background, you're definitely not alone. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to set up the OneDrive app on your Android device so that it only syncs offline files when you're connected to Wi-Fi. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have peace of mind knowing your valuable mobile data won't get eaten up by automatic file syncing. Let's get right to it. First, grab your Android device and open up the OneDrive app. If you're not sure where the app icon is, just look for the classic blue cloud logo or use the search bar at the top of your app drawer. Once you've got OneDrive open, take a moment to make sure you're logged into the account you want to manage. You should see your files and folders listed out here. Now, to access the right settings, look towards the bottom of your screen. Down in the bottom right corner, you'll notice a little circle. It might be your profile picture if you've set one up, or just a generic person icon if you haven't. Go ahead and tap on that Me icon. This is what takes you into your personal profile and account options. Once the profile page pops up, you'll see a variety of choices, but what we want is settings. Tap on settings. It may look like a small gear icon. This is where you'll find all the behind-the-scenes controls for your app. If you're ever curious about what else you can tweak from here, feel free to explore, but for now, let's stay focused on our goal. Within the settings menu, scroll down until you see Sync Offline Files. Take your time finding it. There are often a lot of options in this section, so don't worry if you have to swipe a little. Once you see Sync Offline Files, tap on that. This is where you decide how and when OneDrive will keep your offline files up to date on your device. At this point, you'll be presented with a simple set of options for how to handle syncing those offline files. By default, it might be set to use both mobile data and Wi-Fi, which is what we want to change. Select the option that says over Wi-Fi only. Sometimes it's just a toggle or a radio button. This setting is super important. By choosing over Wi-Fi only, you're telling OneDrive to pause any large or small file syncs until your phone connects to a Wi-Fi network. This way, you're protected from unexpected data usage, which is especially helpful if you're on a limited plan or often on the go. Think of it like putting a guard at the door who only lets your OneDrive sync when it's safe and free to use your home or office Wi-Fi instead of dipping into your precious data. Give it a second to save your preference. You usually won't see a big pop-up confirming it, but trust that your setting has taken effect. If you ever want to double-check, just revisit this menu and make sure the right option is still selected. And that's all there is to it. Pretty straightforward, but such a useful tweak. Now you can keep your offline files available for any moment on the train, at a coffee shop, or wherever life takes you without worrying about a surprise data bill. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more easy-to-follow guides like this one. Got any questions, or maybe a tip to share about OneDrive or file syncing? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I always love hearing from you, and I try to help out whenever I can. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.